How to add business location on Snapchat map. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can add your business location on your Snapchat map. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Snapchat. From here, tap onto the map icon on your bottom left. Then tap on Settings on your top right. Scroll at the bottom of the page and under Support, you will see Suggest a Place. Tap Open it. Just simply type in the name of the place that you would like to add. Once you do so, tap onto the address. Now zoom in and enter the place where your shop is and tap on to Save. Add the category of your business. Then tap on Attributes and tap if it's big groups or cheap eats. Once done, tap on your opening hours. Now, if you have any website you would like to add, then you can add it on the website box. Then type in your phone number. Once done, tap on Add Photos and add the photo of your business. As you do all that, tap on Submit at the bottom of the page. As you have successfully sent the page request, Snapchat will get back to you soon. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.